From being used by aerial photographers to being used by the US military, drones have made a significant impact on our daily lives. There are three types of drones that tend to be used by the general public. The most common of the three are the multi-rotor drones. Now, these are widely used by both professionals and hobbyists alike. Their use have ranged from being in government and defense to environmental research to also including media and entertainment. Single-rotor drones tend to have much higher complexity and operational risk. While popular in manned aviation, they have a small niche in the drone world. Their pros include having longer endurance and larger air coverage. Their cons include their flying being more difficult, requiring more training from the pilot, and more expensive compared to multi-rotor drones. Fixed-wing drones use a wing like a normal airplane would to provide lift. Because of this, they are able to cover the longest distance out of the three in order to monitor their point of interest. As a concept, drones or unmanned aerial vehicles have been around since the mid-19th century, starting out as balloons in Austria during the Siege of Venice in 1849. The first pilotless aircraft was built during World War I, and during World War II, drones were used by both the Allies and the Axis powers to scout for any nearby enemies. Today, drone users are expected to follow a set of rules set by the Federal Aviation Administration, or FAA for short. A drone user is allowed to fly their aircraft 30 minutes before sunrise and able to fly it 30 minutes after sunset, while being equipped with anti-collision lighting. Also, the pilot cannot fly the drone above an altitude of 400 feet, and a drone that is less than 55 pounds can only reach a maximum speed of 100 miles per hour. Today, businessmen and marketeers have taken advantage of drones being effective tools. They have proven to be useful in industries involving security for police officers, crop dusting for farmers, aerial videography for filmmakers, and others. One industry that drones have impacted is the construction industry. The effective use of drones has managed to revolutionize the operational process in the industry. Recently, drones have been replacing conventional land surveillance operations. They have done this by reducing the need for human capital and the time needed to collect the data necessary, all while inspecting high-risk construction areas. Another industry is the delivery industry. The company known as Amazon plans to use drones to deliver its products to its customers. If successful, Amazon will set a new standard on how things are delivered to people and also be the first brand to undertake this task. Marketers can showcase this to people that drones will have a positive impact on the environment by showing that there will be fewer cars on the road delivering products and thus having less pollution in the air. The ever-growing use of drones has made its stamp on society. Whether that is for business, war, or for recreational usage, they have become significant tools for many purposes, and they have served as a change maker for those in the marketing industry. The future looks bright for drones, and as long as there are those who are able to take advantage of the technology, they will remain relevant for many years to come.